Hello my friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to make an easy dark chocolate mug cake. I'm not going to be using an oven. I'm going to begin by just oiling and flouring the mug. Next, I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of flour, then 2 tablespoons of sugar, 3 tablespoons of cocoa powder, 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder, 4 tablespoons of milk, a pinch of salt. Then I'm going to mix all together. So guys, welcome to my channel. I'm the Juicing Foodie. I make healthy juices and delicious recipes. Please hit the subscribe button and also the bell notification so you're the first to know anytime I upload a new video. After mixing the few ingredients together, I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil, a splash of vanilla extract, and a few chocolate bars. And I'm going to mix for the last time. Since I'm not using a real oven, I'm going to make a makeshift oven. I'm going to preheat my pot, but first I'm going to add some salt to the pot and preheat for a few minutes, 1 to 3 minutes. After preheating, I am going to put in a ceramic bowl into the pot and then put my mug inside the ceramic bowl because I don't want to put my mug in directly. Now you can put your mug in directly, or you can put parchment paper on top of the salt and put your mug on top of the parchment paper. Do keep in mind though that because my mug is inside a ceramic bowl first, it may take a little longer to bake. I'm going to close my pot and leave it to bake for about 10 to 15 minutes. And voila guys, our dark chocolate mug cake is ready. This was a really chocolatey mug cake. Now if you don't want yours to have a strong chocolate flavor, you can reduce the spoons of cocoa to 1.5 to 2 tablespoons of cocoa. I'll just taste a little bit. So guys, thanks for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't. Also write a nice comment, that goes a long way. I'll be seeing you guys in my next video. Ciao!